Hello everybody. On this video I wanted to show you how to calibrate the gas detector on board. Our gas detector is company MSA, model Altair 5X. So we have our gas detector and balloon with gases. What the content is here? Hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, methane, oxygen, nitrogen. And the concentration of these gases. Why exact this concentration we need, I will show you later. Our gas detector is showing what the concentration should be for the testing. Okay, and also we have this gauge which is connecting to the balloon and the pipe, this plastic pipe with connectors to gas detector. Okay, just press this button and hold on. Now he will ask us to block the pump. He will make at first pump test. You can see Bluetooth version, serial number. Okay, pump test. Block sampling system. Sampling system is here. We just block for a few seconds. Okay, pump test passed, pump flow blocked. Okay, pump test we pass. And waiting for the loading. It will show you for us low alarms level, high alarms level, and what the content of the gases should be for calibration. You see, low alarm when it will give you alarm, high alarm, still alarm, TVA alarm, and now we'll show you, you see, calibration cylinder. So this value is showing here what the concentration should be in this bottle with gases. Cold due 177 days. Okay, he is making his self-tests. Checking the sensors. Is here inside 3 sensors. Okay, fresh air setup. Press yes. Fresh air setup pass. So this is a normal concentration. 0 gases and oxygen 20.8. It's a normal concentration of the oxygen. Okay, to start the calibration, before starting the calibration, we need to just hold on this right button and you will see 0 calibration. We need to pass this 0 calibration test. Press yes. It's checking and refreshing the sensors. It's before any calibration we are making this 0 calibration test. It will spend for some time. For the moment we can connect this gauge to our bottle, just to save the time. Okay, gauge is connected and we can see the capacity of the balloon. And now gas detector is asking us for span calibration. We just need to connect this pipe to the gas detector, connect and press yes. And now it started calibrating. It will spend just few minutes. So you can see the value of hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrogen and oxygen. little bit remain. Okay, span calibration pass. Very good. And now we can disconnect this pipe and restart. Just hold on this button. We will restart and see the date of calibration should be updated. Okay, let's start again. Hold on the button. It will ask again for pump test. Okay, pump test. Just block this second pipe. Pump test pass. And now we will see our date should be updated. Just waiting for loading all this information. It will show again for us low alarm values, high alarm, and now we show the date. Okay, this calibration cylinder. Okay, date 06 November 06 25. Today is 6th of November 2025. So you see this updated 180 days for the next calibration. He is making again self-tests, checking the sensors, and fresh air setup. Before using, you again, before you go into some enclosed space, you're switching, making fresh air setup. Setup is pass, and after you can go to the enclosed space. So this is all about calibration of gas detector MSA model Altair 5X. So if this video was useful for you, you can press like and subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.